Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to find and delete hidden apps from your iPhone home screen. Many iPhone users have reported that they are unable to find some apps on their iPhone because they wanted to delete those apps from their iPhone. Sometimes we might not be aware that someone else may have hidden some apps while using our iPhones unknowingly. So instead of resetting your home layout just to get those apps on your home screen, you can try different methods for searching those apps and deleting them. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you delete hidden apps from your iPhone and home screen in many ways. But first, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For delete hidden files, first thing you should go for is to using the settings app. You have to open the settings app on your iPhone. Now select the general option by tapping on it. Now click on the iPhone storage option. Scroll down the list of apps and search for the application that was hidden from your iPhone. If it is still present on your iPhone, you will find it on this list. After spotting it, click on the top. Now click delete app at the bottom. Tap on it. So click delete app again to continue. This will start uninstalling this app from your iPhone and you are done. And the next step you can use for delete hidden files is to using app library. Open the app library by sweeping your home screen from right to left till the app library appears. And after that, look for the app that is hidden from the home screen. Once you found that app, just long tap on the app icon like this. Finally, click delete on the confirm pop-up window and you are done. And the next step you can use to delete hidden apps is through App Store. You can use this method to delete the hidden apps through App Store on your iPhone only if those apps were recently updated or any updates are available on the App Store currently. For that, you have to go to your App Store from the home screen. Tap on it. Now tap on your profile name. Scroll down. Now select the updates option from the context menu by clicking on it if it is available, and here you will find those apps which were recently updated or any fresh update available. Swipe the app from right to left and click on the delete option at the end like this and tap on delete. It will then start uninstalling or deleting the app from your iPhone and you are done. Next step is Spotlight search bar. So launch the Spotlight search bar by swiping it down from the middle of your home screen like this. After the search bar appears, type the app name, like I am searching for Instagram. If this app appears on the search result, it means it is still installed on your iPhone. Just long press on the app icon from the search result like this. And then in the pop-up box you will see the option of delete app. Tap on it. Then select the delete app option from the context menu. Once done, then tap on delete option again and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of deleting hidden apps, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.